Homo floresiensis, also known as LB1, is a new species of hominin that was discovered in 2003 on the Indonesian island of Flores. The remains of this 18,000-year-old female hominin skeleton were discovered in a cave called Lingabua. Now, the most fascinating thing about LB1 is the tiny size of her brain, which is approximately 400 centimeters cubed, similar to that of Australopithecus afarensis, also known as Lucy. The difference, however, between Lucy and LB1 is that LB1 was discovered with stone technology and charred animal bones, indicating the use of fire. However, there has been much debate since her discovery as to whether LB1 is in fact a new species. To address this debate, Dean Falk and his team devised a method to compare the 3D reconstructions of the internal brain cases of Homo floresiensis, a female Homo erectus, a female chimpanzee, a contemporary woman, and a human microcephalic. To broaden taxonomic comparisons, 46 more endocasts were also included in the study, including those of Australopithecus afarensis and a human pygmy. Morphometric, allometric, and shape data were all used to compare and analyse the 51 specimens. From this table, dorsal and right lateral views, it is evident that LB1's internal brain case is most like that of Homo erectus, and least like that of a human microcephalic. With this information, Dean Falk and his team ruled out the possibility that LB1 could have been a microcephalic. This leads to our next hypothesis. Could LB1 have been a human pygmy? If we look at LB1's internal brain case, it bears little resemblance to that of a human pygmy, whose skull is almost 3 times larger than that of LB1's, and therefore, this hypothesis was too ruled out. Falk and his team further discount the possibility that LB1 could have been a dwarfed form of Homo sapien or Homo erectus, due to the well-convoluted form of her brain. However, the undeniable similarities between LB1 and Homo erectus have led Falk and his team to believe that the two share some phylogenetic connection. This knowledge forms the basis of one of their concluding hypotheses. As for LB1's advanced behaviours, Dean Falk and his team determined from brain morphology analysis that LB1 has derived frontal and temporal lobes, as well as a lunate sulcus in a derived position. These features are associated with higher cognitive processing, and therefore this explains the advanced behaviour. Dean Falk and his team concluded with two hypotheses. The first, that Homo floresiensis and Homo erectus did in fact share a common ancestor. The second, that Homo floresiensis underwent such environmental constraints that it led to the endemic island dwarfing of the species. To discover more about Homo floresiensis, we need to discover more fossils. Until then, Homo floresiensis will remain a crucial and very mysterious piece in the hominin family tree puzzle. Thank you.